Phylogeny and taxonomy are important parts of biology that provide a systematic framework for understanding and grouping the diversity of life. In ecological and evolutionary research, both are often used in tandem. But what are the differences between these terms? In biology, taxonomy names, describes and classifies living and extinct organisms. Taxonomy is based on the classification system developed by the Swedish naturalist Carl Linnaeus in the 18th century. It groups organisms based on shared morphological and phenological characteristics. For instance, shared characteristics might include flower morphology in plants, or the structure and body parts in insects. Taxonomy uses specific terms to group related organisms. Examples are genus, family, order, class, phylum or kingdom. These range from smaller groups, such as a genus that includes similar species, to larger ones, like a kingdom that includes all plants or animals. All species within a taxonomic group, also called taxon, have the same common ancestor. For example, the eastern grey kangaroo belongs to the genus Macropus, shared with one other species, the western grey kangaroo. Both species of kangaroos belong to the family Macropodidae, which also includes wallabies, quokkas, pademelons or tree kangaroos. Taxonomy, however, does not provide any information on the evolutionary relationship between organisms. This is a realm of phylogeny. Phylogeny links to the history of evolution between species or taxa. It assumes that all species share a common ancestor from which they diverged over time. Phylogenies are often shown in form of a phylogenetic tree, also called the tree of life. The tree of life shows the relationships between different taxa to each other. Let us have a closer look at the different parts of a phylogenetic tree. This one here is for kangaroos. A phylogenetic tree is composed of the tips. Each tip stands for a species or a taxon. The nodes, which indicates when two or more taxa diverged, and the branches, linking the different taxa. Most phylogenetic trees are dated. That means that the length of the branches indicates how much time passed between different nodes or between the nodes and the tips. This indicates the rates of speciation or can be used to quantify the evolutionary age of an organism. The phylogenetic relationship and the evolutionary distance between species is commonly done by analyzing similarities in DNA or protein sequences. In our kangaroo example, phylogeny indicates that the eastern grey kangaroo, Macropus giganteus, had the last common ancestor with the western grey kangaroo, Macropus fuliginosus, circa 2 million years ago. The genus Macropus diverged from the genera Ostranta, Wallabia and Notamacropus circa 7 million years ago. These genera include species such as the red kangaroo, the wallaroo and the wallabies. In such a way, we can read the phylogenetic relationship of all the species in the tree. Phylogeny and taxonomy play crucial roles in various scientific fields, including ecology and evolutionary biology. Understanding the evolutionary relationship among species helps scientists trace the origins of traits and behaviors, unravel the mechanisms of speciation, and predict how organisms might respond to environmental changes.